Can you hear me? I use my headphones because I have here a microphone, you see? I hope you can hear me good enough. So I'm in the forest once again. This is one of my favorite places, one of my best favorite places. I love to spend time in a forest. Actually, I am walking with my bike right now because it's pretty slippery here. I just wanted to share with you and tell you how to call Polish sport activities like football, volleyball, and gym and so on. Maybe it will be useful for you. Maybe someday you will be in Poland and you will decide, I want to be a footballer or I want to play volleyball. So it would be good to know how to call it, how to say it in Polish. First and probably foremost, maybe not foremost, most famous in Poland, in my opinion, is football, piłka nożna. It's funny because our team, it became a bit more famous actually 2 years ago, but before that, they weren't on the top or something like that. But Poles just love piłka nożna. And some useful phrases about piłka nożna. Ja lubię grać w piłkę nożną. And today I also plan to use more Polish in my video because you accused me that it's not so much Polish phrases, Polish words. So today you will get more. And next sentence about piłka nożna. Ja gram w piłkę nożną w każdy poniedziałek. Which is actually true. Next one, not very popular in Poland, is koszykówka, basketball. Koszykówka, what about this? There is one popular koszykarz. He lives and he plays in USA, Marcin Gortat. Do you know this one? Marcin Gortat jest polskim koszykarzem. And what else? Ja nie umiem grać w koszykówkę. Po prostu nie potrafię. Grałem bardzo dawno temu. Next one for today is siatkówka. Siatkówka, volleyball, is getting to be more famous than it used to be, in my opinion. Siatkówka staje się coraz bardziej popularna. Ja lubię czasem zagrać w siatkówkę, ale też lubię grać w siatkówkę plażową. Lubię czasem pograć w siatkówkę plażową. And next popular sport in Poland, it was even more popular when Adam Małysz was active in this sport. I mean skoki narciarskie. Skoki narciarskie kiedyś były bardzo popularne. Teraz, moim zdaniem, są mniej popularne w Polsce. Box, it sounds the same. Kickboxing also, it sounds the same. I'm searching in my head something else. Next one, biegi. There is plenty of biegis. You can biegać na kilometr, biegać na przełaj, biegać sprintem. It depends on you. Oh, maybe I will say it in Polish. Ja czasami lubię biegać, ale biegam wolno, lecz na długie dystanse. Na przykład na 5 kilometrów. We have also so many wyścigi. Wyścigi, for example, wyścigi rowerowe, wyścigi samochodowe, wyścigi biegowe, also just biegi as I said before. And another one, sport, maybe it's not a specific sport, not an activity. I mean siłownia, because you can train on siłownia anything you like. Maybe you want to be faster, or you want to be stronger, or you want to lose your weight. We say chodzenie na siłowni. I don't know why. If I would like to ask you about the gym, I would say chodzisz na siłownię? Literally, do you walk to the gym or on the gym? I know you say I'm at the gym. I can also ask, co ćwiczysz na siłowni? Ja ćwiczę na siłowni siłę i chciałbym zrzucić trochę kilogramów. For example, I would like to lose some kilograms. Whoa. I think it's enough for today. It's pretty late. It's getting dark and I have about 5 kilometers to go to ride a bike. Actually, it's not much, but it will be incline. So trzymajcie kciuki, and trzymajcie kciuki for my next activities, next bicycle riding and running and what else, because I don't want to be chubby anymore. Bye bye.